Hi everyone, this is Matt with Execify, and in this short video, we're going to be walking you through org settings and account settings. Now keep in mind that if you don't see things that are shown on my screen, I'm logged in as an admin in this demo environment. You probably don't have admin privileges, but you'll be able to see the changes that might need to be made and reach out to the admin if you need anything updated. From anywhere in the application, simply click on Settings in the left sidebar. Once you click on Settings, you'll see another set of menu items appear on the left-hand side. Let's go through them in order. The first is your name, your working start times and end times, whether or not you want to share data with Execify that can help you to debug, troubleshoot, or enhance your experience. Configure your Zoom account. This is for an individual user. Each user within Execify needs to configure their own Zoom account. Same with Slack. We have tutorial walkthrough messages in our onboarding that'll take you through different application areas. If you close those out when you're looking at the application and you want to reset them, you can simply do that here. The next menu item shows the permissions that have been granted to you by other users of the Execify organization. So in this case, you can see that Olivia and Robert have both granted full permissions, while Luke hasn't granted any. Conversely, you can grant others in the organization whatever permissions you want them to have over your account. To get full utilization of Execify, you'll want to share calendars. Now, this is a different permissioning layer than what you'll find in Outlook and Google Calendar. So you'll want to go through and make sure that you've shared read and write access on any of your calendars or sub-calendars to people in your organization that need to be able to schedule, view things, tag, and act on your behalf. You can also see the calendars and sub-calendars that have been shared with you. Tags are set up at the organizational level and can be customized for each organization. Time zones allow you to create custom names for time zones that you can save both in the scheduling tool and calendar tools in the left sidebar and name them whatever you want. You can share them with the organization. You can make them personal, and you can give them a custom name so that it doesn't show up like GMT +9. It would show Tokyo in this example. And you can change the orders of these when you're working with calendar time zones in the UI in the calendar section. Now, for the organizational settings, you give the organization a name, in this case, Execify Demo Org. You can see the team members and whether or not they're an admin or a user. You can see what account level you're on. In this case, we're in an enterprise account. We've used 4 out of 5 of the licensed seats. You can get the stats there, and you can invite members to your organization from this. Last is the billing settings, where you can see that we're currently using 4 out of 5 seats, what our pricing model looks like, and the ability to go and manage your billing, which is run through Stripe in this case. That's it for the account settings overview. When you onboard an executive or a colleague, don't forget to give them the appropriate calendar and sharing permissions in order to fully utilize the capabilities of the tool.